Medium is a platform that pays users for writing articles, poems, sharing their personal experiences on that particular platform. And once you monetize your article, you get paid for it. And it doesn't take any big deal for you to monetize your article. Is just to put them under paywalls, and this article you can write a minimum of 200 words in less than 5 minutes, and you can use other people's idea, articles, stories to craft your own article using ChatGPT. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how the platform looks like and its features and how to navigate your way easily, especially as a newbie. Yes, there are a lot of persons who have made significant amount of money from this platform, including me. The last $98 I showed you was what I made from this platform. It requires time though, but I'm going to show you how the platform works. To register on the platform, you can visit their web page, www.medium.com, and then register, or you can search it on Google. And also you can get their mobile app on iOS device from the iOS store or Play Store for Android users. The app name is Medium. You search for it and then you simply install it. And then once you've installed the app, what you need to do next is to register with your Gmail or with your email or your details. And once you registered, you will be allowed to use the platform. Now, before you can monetize your article, you need to pay for their plan, and I will take you through the app right now. So on my phone currently, this is how the apps look like. You see people's stories. This one is Man of C. I am starting writing on Gumroad, and you can see my writing career is finally over. And you can see another one about me. These are people sharing their stories, people's stories, and you too can do it because these stories are being monetized. So first off, when you go to the app, you are going to be taken to the home page. That's the first thing you see, and on the home page you are going to be seeing people's stories based on your interest, based on what you read over time. The Medium app is going to be suggesting those kind of things for you. Then secondly, we have the search bar down here, and on this search bar you can explore or search for topics or things you think of reading, or the kind of things you are interested in. Let's say if you are interested in making money online or motivation, you can just simply search motivation, and you will see a lot of stories about motivation. Let's see this first one: stop chasing motivation, build structure that guarantee results. And then the second one says motivation and other lies I tell myself. You see, and then definitely you just click, and then you can read through it, and this is how it looks like. It's as simple as that. Then next we have this your library, and this your library is where you have your reading list. Like if you are interested in a particular article, you can add it up to this your reading list. We also have the save list, and we also have the digest. This digest is what Medium normally suggests to you daily. And then we also have highlights. You can highlight people's story, part of their story, or key important point that you wish. And then the reading history under this your library. This reading history is every aspect you navigate on the platform, every article you navigate, you search, they are all in your reading history. And then we have your profile. Just as it is, it shows details about you. Now on this profile here, you have your stories, we have list, and we have about. Here you write about your page, what your Medium page is all about. Then under this story we have public. These are stories you've made public. If you click on this particular angle, we have draft. These are your draft stories, and if you click on unlisted, there are some. It's just the same thing, similar to YouTube, where you have some videos unlisted. There are some articles you would have unlisted, and only people with the link can read through them. And then we have responses. These are responses from your audience, from people and majorly replies you've got. So under this about here, we have a small setting icon here. It's just similar to that of a web version. So we have this setting here. So on this setting here, you see become a member, and we have story statistics, we have account, and we have all other things. You can take a look at it. You can even connect your social media accounts to your Medium app, and here these story statistics give you statistics of or metrics of how your stories are performing, and then you click on become a member. Now if you are not a member, you cannot monetize your article. So you can pay monthly, and is in Nigerian currency is 1,790 per month, or $1.19. You can pay using your Shipper Cash or Eversend. I prefer you use Eversend, because Shipper Cash, once you make any payment below $5, you are being charged extra $1. And to obtain Shipper Cash visual dollar card, you will need to pay $5 to get the card, and then you will need a minimum funding of additional $5. But with Eversend, you don't need all of that. With $3, you can always obtain your card, and when you obtain your card, your dollar card, you are going to fund with any amount of your choice. You can fund a minimum of $1, and you are not being charged for any payment made below $5. So that's why I prefer using Eversend dollar card. You pay with your dollar card, so you are not paying with your Naira debit card, you pay with your dollar card. So you just go to the Play Store, download Eversend, and you can easily make payments with that. So when you click on this become a member, and then you can pay for the monthly one. I normally do that, or you can opt in depending on what you want. But for this monthly one of $1.19, which is 1,790 per month, you see the plan. It says read member only stories, support writers you read, earn money for writing your article, listen to audio narration, read offline with the Medium app, access our Mastodon community, connect your custom domain, create your own publication. Now you see this number 3, earn money for your writing. So when you do this plan, you easily earn money for your writing. So what you need to do is just to simply select, and then you now input your card details, and then you now make your payment. This is my Visa card linked to my Google account that I use for my payment. So that's how the platform looks like, and you can check it out and explore other aspects of this platform. Like I told you, I'm not advertising this platform. It's just how I was able to earn that $98 you currently see on my screen from this platform, sharing stories, people's experience, and you already know what Medium is. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to write article using ChatGPT. I'm already working on the video, and the video will soon be released, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button, share this video with your friends so that they too can benefit and follow, because other videos I'll be releasing strategy to make significant amount of money. Like I told you, it's not everybody on this platform that are actually making it big. You can be on the platform and you don't know how the platform works, you will definitely be stuck. Some persons give up along the line, but the good thing is that for those who actually understand how the platform works, how to drive engagement, what is performing well on the platform, always stay up to date and actually make the real money. One thing is to get the information, another thing is to get actionable step to be able to actualize a good result. Thanks for watching till this very moment. I'm Oshe Emmanuel, and welcome to OCHE'S Tech. Have a lovely day.